guys, I just wanted to come on here and talk about the new VIP program that we've got running through Close to My Heart, so the customer VIP program. Alright, so if you haven't already seen it, there is a flyer on my Facebook page that you can go and have a look at. Alright, so I just want to talk about the benefits of why you should become a VIP. Alright, so it costs $55 to join, so you join for the year, and then obviously it's an annual subscription. And on joining, you would get $25 worth of VIP credits. Alright, but Close to My Heart have got an introductory offer going at the moment, but if you sign up before the 31st of December, you actually get $40 worth of VIP credits instead of the $25. How awesome is that? $40. And you can spend that on most things. There are some exclusions, and I can list them below to let you know what the exclusions are. Alright, so, but also another benefit is that when you put an order in, you would earn 15% on the full retail amount. So say you put a $100 order in, then you would get $15 worth of VIP credits to use on your next order. And you can save up those credits. How awesome is that? Save them up. So if you want a big ticket item or something like that, you can save them up. And yeah, and then earn them. So as long as you stay a VIP customer, then those credits will never expire. So yeah, that's another great thing too. The other thing that I wanted to say as well is if you were to become a VIP and you put in a $80 or more order, you actually get the stamp of the month for free. So instead of the, normally when you put an $80 order and it costs $9, well, as a VIP, you would get this stamp. So this is the stamp of the month for October. You would get this for free. How awesome. Really awesome. So there are some benefits to it. Yeah, so just while I've got this, the full retail price of this is $34. But obviously if you're not a VIP and you put an $80 order or more in, you can get it for $9. If you're a VIP and you put the $80 order or more in, then you would get it for nothing. Zero. Zilch. Free. How awesome. And some other benefits of joining is that you have access to exclusive products throughout the year that Close to My Heart would bring out. There's also a exclusive workshop bundle that will be available to purchase, and there's also going to be a free Facebook Live event that Close to My Heart's going to do, so you can follow along with them and create some awesome things. So I recommend becoming a VIP. How awesome! Become a VIP. Everybody needs to be a VIP. Anyway, moving on. All right, I just want to talk about the special. So I've already shown you the stamp of the month for October. So it's called All My Love, and it's got some nice sentiments on there. We've still got the Got Candy special going on for Halloween. That actually finishes on the 31st of October, so you might want to get in quick. There's only a couple more weeks left of that one. And we've actually got a new one, and this one's available through till the 31st of December. It's called Moments Like These, and it's a calendar kit, so you can make it up as a calendar, or you can just purchase it without the calendar, and you can just create pages. You can buy it with the stamp set, without the stamp set, with the calendar, without the calendar, and these are the layouts that it creates. So yeah, they're really, really pretty. I'm actually in the process of ordering this for myself. Yeah, so when I get it, I'll be able to go through it and show you guys. So that's about all the specials that have been going on at the moment. Yeah, so don't forget, VIP $40 credit instead of the $25 if you sign up now. Yeah, so there, you can use them on most things. So like if there's a stamp set that you really wanted, or a stamp pad, or some cardstock that you're running low on, or basic tools if you need them, you can use them on most things. There are some exclusions, as I said before. So you can't use them on Craft with Heart subscriptions. You can't use it on the VIP subscription. You can't use it on that. you can't use it on Operation Smile stamps, and there's a couple of others, but I'll list them down below what the exclusions are. Also, alternatively, if you want to, you can go up on my website and click on the join VIP, and it explains everything in there, everything that I've spoken about today. But yeah, I highly recommend joining up to become a VIP, because you're going to reap the benefit. All right, I think that's enough jibber jabber from me today. But you know, don't forget, VIP. I'm gonna leave it there. Don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Okay, bye.